So, I'm Jacqueline's brother. We're in Mexico, and I'm gonna have a new channel, and this is the first video I'm gonna do. So, it's gonna be a nerf channel. You can see I have a nerf weapon right here. It's gonna be a nerf channel, and I'm gonna tell you guys how it shoots, the performance, and if it's a good touch. It's gonna be very cool because I just can't wait for people to do likes to my video. And this is how it shoots. You can saw that. Now I'm gonna show you the performance in the end of the video. I need to go for bullet. And this is the Nerf Zombie Strike Crossfire. And it has 4 Zombie Strike bullets right here. It has 4. You can see it has 4. Okay. And you put it in this holes. It has 4 holes. Put it right here, and put it again right here. And it's very easy to put it. The hard thing, it came like this. It didn't come with a scope, but it's still a zombie strike scope. It came with a Doominator with a lot of bullets, and this thing was off when I got the package. It was off, and it was very cool. But the hard thing was where to put these things. I thought I wouldn't need the instructions because I know that the bullets go here, that it recharges is right here, and it just shoots. And it's a very cool thing to have one of these. It has the holder for any things, for if you want it like this, or if you just want it like this. It's very cool. And this crossbow, if you know The Walking Dead, this looks a lot like Daryl's crossbow. Okay, but let's not talk about The Walking Dead because this is a Nerf channel. Okay, so I'm gonna make my sister say that Nerf is the best, better than Boomco. If you guys don't know what's Boomco, it's gonna be very fun. Okay? This is gonna be kind of hard, but I don't know. So I don't know if it's gonna be hard or not hard. So first, I'm in Mexico. I think I already told you guys that. And I already told you guys that I need my sister to pay and say that Nerf is the best because she says that Nerf is horrible with her. She told me that I'm with my super Nerf guns. Sorry, I said it backward. So almost all the Nerf guns are 8 up. And the rival Nerf guns are like 14 up. I have the rival Nerf guns, but I'm just 8. So I don't know why they put that, but you can have them from any age, but it's better that you have the normal ones from 7 to up, like that. So my sister is calling her friend right now, and I think, I don't know, first I'm gonna wait for her to do that. So let's do a pause right now, or not. Okay, just I'm gonna show you fast the performance. Okay. You can see the scope is right here. It's cool. So let's see if you can see. Very cool. So I'm gonna go over here. If not, I do have some birds there. But let's just pause for right now.